Welcome to the Transforming the Traditional Classroom Professional Development course. This is the main page of the course where you can find all the basics about it. Here you can find the introduction to the course written by me, the instructor. You can find the long-term learning target for the course and the short-term learning targets for each module, and you can also find a PowerPoint that briefly reviews each module of the course. On the sidebar, you can find all the modules of the course. These modules go in sequential order. There are not traditional grades for this course as it is mastery-based professional development. That means the learner must go through each module and provide mastery of the learning targets before they are allowed to move on to the next. At the end of the course, the learner will receive a certificate stating he or she has the skills and knowledge necessary to implement SCL in the classroom. When you click the Module 1 tab, you will see the lesson for Module 1. It begins with an introduction video from me laying out the module. The learner then sees the learning targets for the module. They move on and will explore definitions of student-centered learning, along with videos of student-centered learning taking place in my classroom and a colleagues of mine classroom. After they've explored definitions of student-centered learning, they will move on to a discussion with their classmates. They will post a question or an observation they have about student-centered learning, and they will respond to one of their classmates. The learner then moves on to the final assignment for the module, where they will define SCL in their own words and create a vision of SCL for their classroom. At the end of the module, the resources for the module are provided so that students can explore them on their own more in depth.